Hi and welcome back into another reaction video. My name is Enix and I do a daily reaction to Indonesian artists. In today's content, we are going back to my most favorite artist from Indonesia which is Kakrakan. Ayan, tama na yung pronunciation ko. So, Kakrakan uploaded a video just few hours ago and this is the exciting part. It's a sad song from Mariah Carey and the title of the song is My All. Oh, ang galing! I'm so very excited with this one. So without further ado, let's make a reaction now to Kakrakan. The title of the song is My All by Mariah Carey.
I'm thinking of you in my sleepless solitude tonight. If it's wrong to love you,
Ang sakit.
then my heart just won't let me be right. 'Cause I'm drowning in you and I won't pull through without you by my side. I give my all to have just one more night with you. I risk my life to feel your body next to mine. 'Cause I can't go on living in the memory of our song. I give my all for your love tonight. Baby, can you feel me? Imagining I'm looking in your eyes, I can see you clearly, vividly emblazoned in my mind. And you're just so far in the distant star I'm wishing on tonight. I give my all to have just one more night with you. I'd risk my life to feel your body next to mine. 'Cause I can't go on living in the memory of our song. I give my all for your love
Hindi ko na-expect.
tonight.
Hindi ko na-expect. Naiiyak ako. Grabe siya.
I give my all to have just one more night with you. I'd risk my life, babe, just to feel your body next to mine. 'Cause I can't go on living in the memory of our song. I give my all for your love
Grabe.
tonight. In my home for your love
Ang galing.
tonight.
Grabe ka. Grabe. Grabe, naiyak ako. I never expect this one. Hindi ko ina-expect talaga 'to. Oh my gosh. Wala naman akong pinagdadaanan. I really love his version. Sorry, Mariah. I never expect this that I'm going to cry. I'm not thinking about anything or anyone, even my mom. I don't think about her during the my all because of course this is like our breakup song. It's about relationship. This is the first time that I'm not thinking about anything, I promise. Usually every time I make a reaction vlog, I'm a emotionally type of person. And every time that I think about someone or some story from my past, my problems in life, I listen to some song, love songs, and then I will cry if I can relate. There's something about Kakra. I'm very happy today. I don't know why did I cry. Kasi I love Kakra Khan. For me, he deserved 1 million views in each of his content. Kasi he deserve it. He really deserve it. And when it comes to singing and with full of emotion, that's very Kakrakan. And the way he delivered the words, words by words or lyrics by lyrics, parang you can feel his pain through his heart. I can see how desperate he is when it comes to love life. Parang ganun. That's what my vision to Kakra. There's a frustration in his emotion. Alam, alam mo yung you are already broken heart, but you are so desperate and frustrated at the same time. And that's how he performed during song cover. Grabe, he really deserved a lot of projects and a lot of million views, and he deserved trending, lots of trendings and viral views, everything. I don't know, even in Hollywood, I parang nothing beats, for me ha, nothing beats Kakrakan. Kahit na Pilipino ako, even I'm a Filipino, and there's a guy, I don't know, is there a Filipino guy like Kakrakan? Sorry guys, I love Kakrakan. Even I'm a Filipino, I'm a huge fan of Kakra, and I told him to make I mean, please make a song cover every day about sad song, and I love to make a reaction vlog about you. So, I don't know. For me, for maybe 3 years already of making a reaction to Kakra, he still deserve my heart. I love you, Kakra. You're still amazing. For me, you're number one. For me, you're absolutely. I'm crazy over heels with your voice and how you perform. The good thing about Kakra is every time that he sing, I feel so touched. And when you have a problem and you want to cry, you want to reflect on something, just go to one place, and a place that so quiet, and you're just spend time with yourself, and then listen to Kakra music. You're gonna cry a lot. Ay, naku, grabe. I'm sorry, Mariah, but I love Kakra's version. Kakra really fits with sad song. That's his genre. And when it comes to the sad song, I rather sing a sad song than some kind of love song because when it's sad song, you can give all your best and you can put out all your emotion. And of course, broken heart song and sad songs are so emotional when it comes to performance. About the song, have you ever loved someone and you give your all to them, but still for him, it's still not enough? Then it means he is not the right one for you. It's easy to find someone to love, but the hardest thing is to find someone who will love you back. Any kinds of relationship, it's supposed to be 50-50. Should be equal. When you give your all to someone, of course, in return, he will give his all also to you. The feelings or the love that you give to him, he will return it to you also. Because that's the way it is. So, ganun talaga. Madaling magmahal, mahirap humanap ng magmamahal din sa'yo ng pabalik at totoo. There you have it. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. Please do like and subscribe. We should give our all to ourselves because loving yourself is much more important than anything else. Bye! Much love from Philippines. Signing up. See you again tomorrow.
I give my all for your love.